In this video I will show you how to replace the exterior front door handles on 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry. Step number 1. Open the front door of the vehicle and remove the small rubber plug located on the side of the door by hand, or, if necessary, use a plastic trim removal tool. 2. Once the plug has been removed, loosen the screw securing the key cylinder using a number 30 Torx screwdriver. 3. Once the screw is loose, remove the key cylinder by pulling it out by hand or prying it out with the trim removal tool. 4. Next, remove the damaged handle by pulling it toward the side or the door frame with your hand to release it, then pull it outward to completely remove it. 5. On models equipped with keyless entry, pull the handle outward by hand to access the electrical connector. 6. Disconnect the wires using a small screwdriver or a hook by pressing inward on the connector locks and simultaneously pulling outward on the connector to completely disconnect it. 7. Disconnect the wires using a small screwdriver or a hook. Install the electrical connector on the new door handle in its original position by simply pressing inward with your hand, ensuring that the locks and connector fit properly, and insert the end of the handle and connector into the door respectively. 8. Install the handle in its original position by sliding it inward by hand, ensuring it fits properly and also ensuring the rubber seal or dust cover is securely in place. 9. On models equipped with keyless entry, pull the lock lever outward slightly with a hook and insert the end of the handle into its original position, ensuring it fits properly behind the handle latches, as shown on the screen. Once inside, perform a quick functional test by pulling on the handle to ensure that it works properly. 10. Next, remove the key cylinder frame from the damaged door handle by pressing outward on the key lock with a small flathead screwdriver or a hook. 11. Next, install the replacement frame or key cylinder cover in its original position by simply pressing it inward with your hand, ensuring it fits properly. 12. Next, insert the key cylinder into the new door handle ensuring that it fits properly. 13. Tighten the screw that fastens the key cylinder securely with the number 30 Torx screwdriver you used earlier. 14. Install the plastic side protector or plug in its original position by simply pressing it inward with your hand, ensuring that it fits properly. That's how simple it is to replace the front door handles on a 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry.